California. Wait, what? Hi, my name is Poppy, and this is my mom, Kim, and welcome back to Bake-a-rama, California.
What are we making today, Poppy?
S'mores brownies.
What? You
Yes.
can make s'mores and brownies together?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
We just need mini marshmallows and graham crackers.
What if you don't have those, though?
You can make plain or add chocolate chips.
Ooh, that sounds great.
I know, right?
So what's the first thing we have to do?
First thing we need to do is to set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, cool. And then what do we do?
Then we have to butter the pan.
Or you can use cooking spray.
Or you can use...
Do you want to do that? Because the butter we're going to use in the brownies.
Yeah.
But you can butter it too. Okay, so after we have our pan ready and our oven ready, then we need
You should set this aside.
We need to gather our ingredients, right?
We need flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, vanilla, very important, chopped chocolate,
That's bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate.
Yeah.
1 stick of
unsalted butter,
mhm.
cocoa powder, marshmallows, and honey grams. Well, graham crackers,
Graham
if you want to be
crackers.
exactamundo. Oh, and also you need 2 large eggs.
Oh yeah, we have to get the eggs out, don't we? The first thing we're going to do is melt the butter and the chocolate together.
Okay, let's pour
So-
this chocolate in.
You can use chocolate chips if you want, or you can chop up a bar of chocolate. Just chop it up pretty fine. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then stick that butter in there.
The whole thing?
The whole thing!
What? I like
Wow.
that, my evil laugh.
That is an evil laugh. Know any good jokes, Poppy?
Why don't you tell eggs any jokes?
Why don't you tell eggs any jokes? I don't know.
Because they'll crack up.
Oh my god.
Wait,
All right.
not chopped?
Nope, just throw it in there.
Okay.
Oops, not the wrapper though. That would be gross. Okay, then we're going to put it on the stove and turn it on to medium low. Well,
Now?
let's get our wooden spoon. Uh-oh. And where did our wooden spoon go? I have no idea where the wooden spoon is. Where is it?
I don't know. Oh, found it.
So then you put it on the stove on medium low
Ooh.
and you stir it every so often. Yeah, we're going to cut all this part out.
Can I? Shh, don't tell her.
It's almost melted.
Okay. About done.
Almost there. Okay, so put a hot pad down and get some hot pads. Okay, so when everything's melted, you turn off the heat, and let's take that and put it over here on our work surface. Just put it right here. Okay. So.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Oh. Be careful you don't touch the pan though. It's very hot.
Mm-hmm. Well, without hot pads.
So, the next thing we want to do is add sugar.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can do it. Okay, we need a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and we need a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar.
That's packed.
That's packed. That's right, Poppy. And then you just dump that in there. There you go, and stir it all up. We need to whisk the eggs in. Okay,
Can
so
I
I
do
have
it?
2 large eggs. And whisk it really quickly because it's hot. Here you go. Do you want to whisk or do you want to crack?
Crack.
Okay. Oop. And try not to get any eggshells in there if you can help it. But if you do, just try to pull them out.
Okay.
Okay.
Try to do what I just did.
Next we need some vanilla. Smells so good.
But don't eat it.
1 teaspoon of vanilla. Do you want to hold it over? Be careful not to touch the pan. There you go. Get a tiny bit extra in there. That's okay. And then you can whisk that in. And then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We use kosher salt, but you can use regular salt if you want. Okay, is it all getting whisked in? Can you see that?
Yep.
Next, we need 3/4 cup of flour.
Can I do it?
And we're gonna sift that over the top. So let's take this whisk out, and I'll hold this, and you throw that in. How many 1/4 cups are in 1 cup?
4.
That's right.
So we're just
1/4.
adding 3 cups.
So we're adding 3/4 cup. Okay, then we need cocoa powder.
How much?
2 tablespoons.
Ew. Oh, chocolatey.
If you don't have cocoa powder, you can just leave that out and add 2 tablespoons more of flour. Do you remember which one is the tablespoon?
Yep.
It's the biggie.
Big.
It's a good idea to always sift your cocoa powder because it gets lumpy. All
I
right.
don't need cocoa powder. It tastes horrible.
It smells good, but there's no sugar in it. That's why it doesn't taste very good. And then we just need to whisk that in.
There he is. There he is.
All right.
That song is stuck in my head.
So now we're gonna whisk this in. Okay?
Okay. Let's
Carefully so it doesn't fly out of the pan. All right.
like a dough now, or batter.
Just make sure you get all those corners down in there. Now, you want to put a handful of marshmallows and a handful of crumbled graham crackers in. Okay, stop eating this.
Where do you put the handful? In your mouth?
No, you put the handful in the brownie batter. Whoa. Just crumble up the graham crackers into chunky bits.
Can I stir with
Yeah.
a spoon?
Is that enough marshmallows?
Yeah.
We can put some on top.
Heck yeah, we are. This is gonna taste good. Whoop. This is gonna taste good. Whoop whoop.
All
This
right,
is
should
gonna
I
taste good.
stick it in the pan?
Wait. Okay, done.
Okay, perfect.
Pour
Pour
it
it in the
in.
pan.
And then you should flatten it out.
Do you want to
Still,
smooth it out?
It's amazing.
So try to get it as even and level as you can.
Done?
That looks great. Do you want to get a few marshmallows to put on top?
A few?
Just one, maybe?
She does not know what's coming.
Oh no, I'm terrified. Try to break them up. They're kind of stuck together. Is that it?
Yeah, this is a few more.
So let's put this in the oven. Do you
Okay.
want to do it? I'll get it open for you.
Thank you, Mommy.
All right. Bake well, little brownies.
Bye.
Now we wait. Hi, we're back. It's been about 25 minutes and the brownies are done and it smells so good in here, doesn't it, Poppy?
Yep.
Can you get that or do you need some help?
No, I got it.
All right. Make sure you use oven mitts because it's hot. And just set it on a wire rack. And you gotta let these cool down for quite a while because if you try to cut them while they're hot, they will turn into a gooey mush.
Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes.
And
Now-
it's cool enough to touch. In
So
fact,
now we should cut it.
who gets the first brownie?
Please, me. Is that cut it?
That's right. Here, let me get something to pull it out with. They are very gooey.
So, and they're very good, probably.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Here, let me.
Okay, I want you to do it now.
They're very rich too, so you probably don't need a huge one, even though some people might think you need a huge one.
Me.
Okay, so tell us how it is.
Amazing.
Yay!
And gooey.
Wait, I have to try a little too.
Yum. Remember to hit subscribe if you like this video. Bye. Oop. Bake-a-rama, California.